What's the meaning of British home stores? British home stores. British home stores.
British home stores. British home stores. British Home Stores, BHS, was a UK-based department store chain that sold a variety of products including clothing, furniture, electronics, and home goods. The company operated stores in several countries, including the UK, Gibraltar, and Malta. It was founded in 1928 and became one of the most popular department stores in the UK over the following decades. However, BHS faced financial difficulties in the early 2010s and eventually went into administration in 2016. Despite attempts to save the company, all of its stores were eventually closed, marking the end of the iconic British retailer.